On January 3rd, the Knapp family took a road trip in their new, all-electric Tesla. Using free, solar-powered superchargers all the way. A road trip completely sponsored by the power of the sun. All they had to do was accept the gift of light. The Tesla Model S, Motor Trend's Car of the Year. A car that may lead other cars in no longer taking from the earth, but accepting from the sun untold memories.
Elon Musk putting his foot down, defying the California lockdown and reopening his Tesla factory. We've got all the details, but if this is your first time visiting the Next News Network channel, go ahead and tap that red button down below to subscribe and then hit that notification bell to ensure you get more reports like this. Before I go further into the news, in recent reports, criminals are now using American Social Security numbers and home addresses and other personal information to steal their stimulus checks and unemployment benefits. IdentiSafe provides access to credit monitoring, dark web scans, 24/7 identity agent support, Social Security monitoring, full dark web scan, change of address alerts, personal identity monitoring, up to $1 million in insurance with a 30-day money-back guarantee and more. It's free for 30 days and offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. Visit protectwithgary.com. The link is in the description below. Now, let's get back to the news. This story from Colin Rugg at Trending Politics reports that Tesla CEO Elon Musk, he's fed up with the harsh regulations imposed by Alameda County, California, who are refusing to let him reopen his Tesla factory. Well, on Monday, Musk issued a tweet where he announced that he would be defying the county's orders and would be opening up the plant immediately. Tesla is restarting production today against Alameda County rules. I will be on the line with everyone else. If anyone is arrested, I'll ask that it only be me. The comments come after Musk filed a lawsuit against Alameda County, California, after they blocked him from reopening his Fremont factory, despite them lifting regulations on other businesses. Musk also revealed that he would immediately be moving his Tesla headquarters to Nevada or Texas, considering Alameda County refused to let him reopen his factory. It didn't take long for the totalitarian Democrat lawmakers of California to speak out against Musk. Assemblywoman Lorena Gonzalez of San Diego was furious with the Tesla CEO and took to Twitter to use some harsh language against him. Yes, this is what she tweeted: F Elon Musk. Well, Musk eventually took notice of the tweet and decided to troll Gonzalez with a two-word response of his own: message received. He also pinned the response to his Twitter page. Musk has clearly had enough with California's anti-capitalist behavior, which is why he's planning on leaving the state, citing that Alameda County's rules are irrational and in violation of constitutional civil liberties. This is the tweet he put out as well. I'm not messing around. Absurd and medically irrational behavior in violation of constitutional civil liberties, moreover by unelected county officials with no accountability, needs to stop. So he is moving ahead. He is opening up his factory, and he says, fine, you can arrest me if you want. I'm going to go back to work. Comment below. We'll see you at the next report. For the Next News Network, I'm Gary Franchi. Thank you for watching that report. You should know that criminals are now using American citizens' social security numbers, home addresses, and other personal information to steal their much-needed stimulus checks and unemployment benefits. The scale of the fraud has been enormous, fueled by the recent pandemic and the confusion surrounding the $2 trillion stabilization plan that President Trump unveiled just last month. Well, thankfully, IdentiSafe offers identity protection for as little as $9.99 a month. They provide access to credit monitoring, dark web scans, 24/7 identity agent support, Social Security monitoring, full dark web scans, and up to $1 million in insurance, and even a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, I personally use and I trust IdentiSafe to protect myself and my family's identity. So don't delay. Sign up today. It's free for 30 days, and they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So go on and hit the link, protectwithgary.com. The link is in the description below. We'll see you at the next report. For the Next News Network, I'm Gary Franchi. Thanks for watching the Next News Network. Tap here to subscribe to the channel to get the latest news and alerts. Tap here to watch our latest breaking news and our top stories. Tap here for our latest featured interviews. And make sure you tap here to get in on the new podcast, the G-Cast, with my wife Angie and I. We'll see you at the next report. For the Next News Network, I'm Gary Franchi.